In this video, I have guided that how do we create a simple website using HTML in Notepad. So what is the first step? The first step is open your favorite text editor like Notepad and then type the HTML code. So see, if you see, observe carefully, I am typing the code here. So I'll put HTML, then the head, that is for the heading. Then I'll put the title. So you can put any of the title, whatever you feel. So I have written my first web page. Okay. Now, what is the next step? The next step is maybe I'll change the heading 1. Maybe it's like you can say the background color and so on. So it's up to you. See, code you can write as simple as you want. It's just for the understanding that how do you make a simple web page or a website in a notepad. So it's up to you. So see, here I've taken the background color as pink, plus I will put my text in the center. So here I'm writing another heading wherein I'll say that it is center aligned. How do I write it? It's like, see, text align, and then I will write, see, center. That's where I want my text to be located. Plus, what exactly do I have to write? You can write it anything. You can say my first web page, or hello, welcome to my page, or here I have written like this. So it's all up to you. You can say yes, this is for my mom, anything. So here I'm writing hello, welcome to my first web page, and here I close the first heading. Then is the next thing, I'll close it, yes, and then comes the heading. Now is the most important step. The third step, yes, I'll just type it here. Okay, the third step is you have to click file and save it, right? And you have to see, yes, here you have to save it, and save it in the extension like mywebpage.html. So here what am I doing is I'm writing sample HTML code.html. So it's up to you whatever name you want to give, but do remember it has to be .html all files, and you save it like this. Now what is the next step? Go to the place where it is saved, double click on it. See, sample HTML code, it's here. Just double click, and yes, here is your first web page. Yeah, so it's so amazing. I hope you have liked it. Thank you so much.